Ever wondered how to craft an impeccable assignment? This guide will navigate you through the essentials of assignment writing. Learn how to structure, reference, and paraphrase effectively. UKversity uses a detection software to scan every assignment before marking. If your work is flagged as AI generated or copied, it will be treated as malpractice under policy QA05. Consequences include written warning, 0 marks, disqualification from the unit, or removal from your course. This guide shows you how to write great assignments in your own words, so you never have to worry. How to structure your assignment. Every assignment normally has 4 main sections. Introduction, explain what the assignment is about. Main body, present your research, arguments, and analysis. Conclusion, summarize key points. Reference list, list all sources used. When structuring an assignment, it's important to divide it into 3 clear sections. The introduction, about 10% of your work, sets the scene. You define key terms and outline what will be covered. The main body, roughly 80%, is where you answer the question using research, examples, and clear subheadings. Finally, the conclusion, about 10%, summarizes your key points and reinforces how you've addressed the assignment without introducing new ideas. At the end of your assignment, include a reference list. This should contain every source you cited, formatted in Harvard style, and listed alphabetically by author surname. Remember, the reference list does not count towards your word total. Academic writing differs from everyday writing. You should write in third person, keep your language formal, be precise with your points, remain objective, and always answer the question directly, making sure each paragraph links back to the task. For slides or a visual, you could also make it a bullet list with keywords highlighted. Third person, research shows, not I think. Formal, avoid slang or contractions, precise, support statements with evidence. Objective, focus on analysis, not opinions, focused. Every paragraph links to the question. The Peel method helps structure each paragraph effectively. Start with a point, the main idea, provide evidence such as research or citations, then give an explanation of what the evidence means, and finally link it back to the assignment question. Effective paraphrasing requires expressing ideas in your own words while accurately preserving their original meaning. Avoid relying on automated rewording tools. Instead, follow this 3-step method to ensure accuracy and maintain academic integrity. Top tip, 3-step paraphrase method. Read the passage twice until you fully understand it. Close the source, literally close the tab or turn the page. Write the idea from memory, then check it against the original to ensure you have captured the meaning correctly. When using Harvard referencing, every source must be cited in 2 ways. First, as an in-text citation whenever you use someone else's idea, data, or quotation, and second, as a full reference in your reference list at the end of your assignment. In-text citations include a citation each time you refer to another author's work. Format, author surname, and year. When preparing your reference list, it is important to format sources correctly in Harvard style. Different types of sources require slightly different formats. For example, books, journal articles, and websites, including those without a named author, each have specific rules. Paying attention to the source type ensures your referencing is accurate and consistent. It is important to use AI tools responsibly in academic work. You cannot submit AI-generated content or rely on paraphrasing tools to write your assignment. However, AI can be used ethically for brainstorming ideas, checking grammar, enhancing vocabulary, or understanding concepts, provided you write in your own words and cite any AI sources where appropriate. Before submitting your assignment, it is essential to conduct a self-check to ensure academic quality and integrity. This checklist helps you verify that you have answered the question directly, structured your work appropriately, applied the Peel method in paragraphs, written in formal academic language, cited all sources correctly in Harvard format, avoided plagiarism or AI misuse, maintained your own voice, and adhered to the required word count. Now let us begin a practical example of how to complete an assignment. First, open a new Word document and add the basic information at the top of the page, including your name, course ID, unit name, and the date of submission. Next, create a table of contents to organize the different sections of your assignment. After setting up the document structure, begin answering each question carefully. While writing your responses, make sure you keep a record of all the sources you consult during your research. This will help you compile your reference list at the end of the assignment. Once all questions have been answered and your references have been listed correctly, review the document to ensure everything is complete and ready for submission. Need help? We are here for you. Speak to your tutor, attend your online class, or contact our quality assurance team. Thank you for your attention.